you're going to see that this app is actually going to pay you to do absolutely nothing. And yes, this app is available for both iOS and Android. So it basically works like this. You install it, get ready to go to bed or whatever it is you want to do, and just let the money flow. Now, even though this app is actually the coolest thing ever, if you stay with us until the end of today's video, we're going to be showing you a bonus app that's just as incredible as our main app for today, and that's also going to pay you for doing absolutely nothing. In that way, you can earn double or even triple than what we originally promised you. Remember that these apps on their own won't make you a millionaire, but with all the videos that we've already posted on our channel, we're sure that our 33,000 subscribers are having a ball. You're going to earn real cash from our method for today and not points, because honestly, I think we're over that. You will also be able to cash out with different payment methods, so if that's PayPal, bank transfer, a Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards, you can have it the way that you want it. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Before we get straight ahead into the website, we haven't been talking about this much anymore, and we thought that since we've grown a lot since the last time we've gone in depth with PayPal again, it would be best to finally bring it up again. So right now we're obviously on PayPal, and to those who don't have bank transfer or who have no payment method prepared, the easiest way for you to have one and the quickest way would be creating a PayPal account. PayPal is very convenient, and honestly, it doesn't even take much to create. PayPal is available in about 200 countries, which I'm sure means that it will be available to you guys who still don't have a chosen payment method. Just hit sign up for free and do as it asks, and just like that, you will have a PayPal account and you literally have no problem at all. Our first app for today is called Moocash. And to check their website out, all you need to do is type in moocash.com, and that should take you straight to here. Turn swipes and taps into cash. Earn $5 per day. With this app, you get 24/7 support. Although they are a small team, they are committed to providing you great support. You can also chat with them anytime in their website. There are many rewards, and you redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. It's easy to earn coins. You get offers on your lock screen and swipe to take offers, and it's literally as simple as that. And there are many ways to earn. You can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and even surveys, whichever way you prefer. Now, those are just a few of the great things about our first app, and to know more and do more and earn the most, go ahead on Google Play Store or the App Store and find the Moocash app, download it, and your journey to earning money in the easiest way possible will start right away. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our next and last app is called Cash Magnet, and to get to their website, you can just type in cashmagnetapp.com, and that should take you straight to here. Get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do absolutely nothing. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You don't need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Now, isn't that insane? You literally don't have to do anything. No surveys, no tasks, no offers, no games to play. You just earn on standby. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode, like we mentioned earlier. So prepare to earn several times more. Now, only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can even buy yourself another phone that's gonna work for you solely around the clock just to magnet some cash. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. It is absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way, shape, or form. And it pays out through PayPal, so create one if you don't have any of these. Amazon, Google Play Store, Apple Music, PlayStation, and Xbox. So you can choose to be paid in cash or you can choose to be paid through gift cards. It's really all in your hands, so you even have freedom with this app. So earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. So to be able to start with this, you can again just look it up on Google Play Store, and once you find it, download it, and boom, start earning on complete autopilot. And if you use both apps that we just showed you, you're going to make the most amount of money possible, and we're sure that you won't regret it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.